Can you show Mommy your rattle? Do you like your rattle? It's your Kid Me Mirror Chime rattle, isn't it? Yeah. This is a Kid Me Mirror Chime rattle. It's got a real good sound. Perfect for the little tiny hands. And my son loves to chew on the handle, which is perfect with all the little nubbies for teething. It's got circles on it and a real good mirror